Meaning of inseparably.
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 Inseparably. The word inseparably refers to something that cannot be separated or disconnected from a particular thing or concept. The result of something being inseparable is that the two things are so closely connected that they cannot exist independently without each other. For example, the bond between a mother and her child is often described as inseparable, meaning that the two share an unbreakable connection that cannot be severed. Inseparability can also refer to physical objects that are connected in such a way that they cannot be separated without causing damage or destruction.